ESC_Gobe.
What's up, Vibe Gang? We're live.
What's up, man?
Hello.
It's so.
Wait, ES.
This is so easy,
ESC.
guys. Oh my god.
Okay,
What's
there we
up?
go.
Wait.
Gobe.
Wait.
It's like Gabe, but
Yo, what's up, Vibe Gang?
Go.
Do you hear me? What's up?
How
Okay.
to do underscore on PlayStation? Oh my god.
I'ma pull it up
Um,
here. The chat is going crazy. What's up, Vibe Gang? Hello. Oh my god.
Hello, King. Go back.
Am I on? Can
Go
you guys
back.
see me right now? Did I?
Oh my god. How is the sound, chat? Can you hear? I'm sorry,
was
first time
happening in
streaming on
French.
YouTube. Streaming
Oh,
newbie here.
Hold on. You're screaming in my ears.
Oh, sorry. That's how I usually do it, you know.
Yes. Now we're. Hello. Oh yes, I'm on camera. I didn't even notice.
Yeah.
Yeah. We have ESC Gabe with us.
Hey, hello, hi. I'm ESC Gabe.
Yeah.
And
From
you
the
probably-
YouTube.
You can't see him.
No. I can.
I'm
You
invisible.
can't see him.
Yeah, no,
Can
you.
put him on.
I might be able to put him on, but I'll have to figure. I don't want my setup here to go into the not good realm, but let's see.
No,
if
it's okay.
okay, no, then I'll have to leak Discord. Okay, now I kind of don't, because right now my computer is like 10 screens, and if I move anything, like the entire setup moves, you know, because I'm bad at doing this thing. So, but
Yes.
I'm kind of happy with how this looks right now. So, oh my god, Mr. Beast just uploaded a video. We might need to scratch this stream.
Okay, guys, we have. Okay, babe. No stream. No stream.
Guys,
This
oh my
beast-
god.
No, honestly, this time he's getting closer and closer to just doing Squid Game.
No, I know!
Yes.
He's
Like
literally.
soon it's gonna be like I killed 499 people.
I
and
dropped.
gave one
Yeah.
person $100 million.
That's how Mr. Beast usually does it, you know.
Yeah.
Shout out to Beast.
Shout
We're
out.
still trying to get his attention. Maybe one day we'll be on his get $1 million. But
Okay.
but
okay,
yes.
Guys, so today, guys, we're doing live stream.
Yeah,
We're trying to reach
100,000 subscribers, and I have
Before
live
today.
count. I have live count,
Yes.
guys.
As you can see here, down here. Yes.
Yeah. It took me like 1 hour to figure out how to get this little button, and it's so worth it.
Oh. ESC Gabe turned off his camera, so now I can't see him.
Oh, sorry,
he
I'm
was
back.
so
Yeah,
cute.
there we are. Hello.
No, yeah.
He's
I did the
back for
lighting
me.
nicely just for you.
Oh, I appreciate
Thank
you. But today we're
He
not.
was-
Oh my god, what happened? What sound effect?
Boom.
Did you hear it? Oh, it's
Yes,
still it's still
Let's
connected.
go.
Yeah, I know it's connected to my Twitch account. So when someone subscribes to me on Twitch, there is like
No,
voice.
no, hold on.
No. What
This
was it?
ESC Gabe. doing
Oh, does he
boom.
have sound support?
Yes, sound effects.
Can you
Yes.
have one more sound effect, please?
What you want another one?
Please.
All right, let me see. Let me have a look at my menu. Let me see what we got here. Let's
Wait.
have.
Yes.
What does this button do?
I'm a dreamer. Yo, that's a good song. I like that one.
The only one.
No, bro, that's actually a banger song. Not gonna lie. Not gonna lie,
It's a
chat.
live performance
Yeah, live
from
full.
2024, right?
Yeah. Wait, I'm out.
By the way, you
yeah.
guys should know. Before today, I hadn't
Yes.
played Fortnite since 2018.
Oh my god.
Oh
But
my god.
Then I booted it up
Okay.
today, and
Okay.
I got I immediately got #1 victory royale. So
Let's
that
go.
was my first one ever.
I don't have any worries.
Yeah. Then we should be pretty good to go then, right? Like
Yeah, since
you
get
literally
victory
just won.
royale, then we
let
could-
me pull up this thing real quick here. Guys, can you see
That's
this?
not true.
Yeah. Wow, it works. Oh my god. Hey yo, okay, okay. Fit check. Gabe, what do you have?
Wait, what? Huh? What?
Fit
Where? Huh?
check. The skins.
Oh, I'm pretty sure it's like the default skin.
Wow. I
Your
like
default
it.
Skin.
No, I like
I
it.
don't
Guys.
know how to change it.
No, I think it's
Oh, you
it's
have to
cool.
Go to the locker. Do you have anything in your locker?
Let me see what I got in my locker. No.
Ooh.
Nothing in the locker.
Oh,
This
Mate
is
has
the only one.
Mate has Kim Kardashian chat. What do you think?
Guys.
Chat is going crazy for Kim Kardashian, right? Kim
Okay, should that be
Kardashian.
Kim Kardashian or I here skip it toilet.
Bro, imagine, Gabe, Matti spends real life money on this.
Oh my
$1
god.
million.
I have never spent $1 on Fortnite.
Because
Shelly.
Alden's so broke.
Yeah.
Wait, how do I?
Wait,
Oh,
you have actually
I
pretty.
hold the button.
You have a cool
Wait.
skin now. What? Oh my god! Everybody's sending me
Whoa.
friend requests now. Okay, wait.
So did you leak your username?
Bro, I leaked my
We
username like
leaked all of our usernames.
10 billion
Oh.
years ago.
Yeah,
Let's
you
be.
should have.
I can be
I don't
Marty
know.
McFly from this one. Chat, what do you think about this one?
Should that be this?
Oh, hell yeah. Yeah, I think this is the perfect squad. Let's go. Okay, the plan is very simple, guys, okay? Today is no like shenanigans. We're just gonna win, okay?
We're very serious people.
Are you, everybody happy with that? Chat, are you ready with that? Okay, nice. Yeah, and this also is a reference to our new single Gamer Boy, which will be coming out sometimes, I don't remember. I'ma just press...
27th of February.
Yes. We might have to leak that one during the stream, I don't know. While... I actually... Oh my god, I need to turn off friend requests. Real quick. Wait.
Yeah, I already got several.
Yeah. I don't know how to do it.
I'm just normal gamer. Normal gamer.
Guys, can you come to Sweden? I don't know. No, I don't know.
Gamer. Woo, steering.
Okay, I remember how to walk.
Okay, here is you, Mr. Gabe. What's up, dog? Can you do emote? Can you do emote? Let me see what you got. Let me see what you got cooking. Oh, hell yeah! Bro's cooking.
Where are we jumping?
Do you guys have any chat? What is your opinion? Tomato Town? Do they still have that?
You just tell me when to press the button, okay?
We are going to go to this one here, Painted Palms. Matti's girlfriend said she's dying. Is she okay?
Yes, she was doing my hands. If you
okay, jump!
Do the replay,
sorry.
If you do replay, then you can see that she was the hands all along.
Oh my god.
Chat, I'm going to the destination.
Yeah. Is everybody on their way?
I'm heading to the destination.
I feel like I'm only one here, right?
Well,
it's
right
okay.
Now you are, but we're on our way. I'm 500 and...
We're on our way.
Okay, cook, boys, cook.
I got scared, so I followed him.
Yeah. That makes sense.
You can hear me, guys, right?
Yeah. Everybody can hear, man.
Okay.
No stress.
Okay.
I'm just gonna start off with the loot. You let me know when you pull up.
You just keep on looting.
I might
jumped very badly.
Die.
I see escape in the air.
I think there's a guy here, somewhere.
There is. I can hear shots.
I killed one guy. I killed guy, guys. Can I get medal?
Oh, nice. Please stop sending me friend requests. It's really distracting.
Yes. It's very distracting, but it's okay.
No, it's part of the streamer lifestyle, guys. It's just us with the streamers. We can't.
Okay,
does anyone have a gun? I don't.
Hey, yo.
One gun. Only one.
Oh my god, my Twitch chat is on screen. Oh my god, wait, sorry.
You guys know where I could find another gun?
Here is gun, Gabe, for you.
You have to look.
Where are you? Up there. Okay, I'm coming.
Right here. I save it here for you, but I think I took all your ammo though. But I don't think that matters.
Did you get all the ammo?
Oh, do you just climb on the thing?
Yeah, bro, you can climb on anything. It's Fortnite. It's Fortnite game.
I haven't played this game in a long time. How do I get up
I
there?
don't know. Climb.
Gamer boy.
Bro.
Was once. Stop sending me friend requests.
I'll just do this for you, okay?
Once upon a time.
No, I accidentally emoted.
What?
Oh my god, here's the gun now. Oh my god, there's guy here! Roger!
Where?
Alt, hands on deck! Kill! Oh my god, they jumped away. Embarrassing.
No, I threw him.
Gamer skills! Gamer skills.
You have a gun. Hey, Mayday! Here is someone building fort.
What?
Coming to you.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Wait, are we not in zero build? We're not in zero
Oh,
build.
what?
my God.
Are we not in zero build? Oh my.
Okay, we have to do this.
Oh my God, we're in
Me and
build
Halton
mode.
always play zero build.
Yeah, yeah. I haven't done the building ever.
I don't
Bro.
know how
I
to
have
do the building.
Okay,
no ammo right now.
okay, Gabe, are you the builder then?
No.
No.
I don't do that.
All right, not me neither.
Why are we not in zero build?
I don't know.
Let them all waste their time building their little like fucking huts or
Yes.
whatever. Meanwhile, we'll focus on the real business.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Kill. Get
We will kill
kills.
them while we're building.
Yes.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. What they said.
That's good
Yes,
plan.
of course.
That's good game plan. Good game plan.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Hey, yo, Gabe, take this also. I have heals for you here. This is in Fortnite world. They call this minis.
Nice.
It's the
Oh.
minis. They
Can
give
I
you
stack
health.
these?
Yeah,
Chat, you know
What?
this.
Yeah, they do stack. Nice.
Let's just go
okay,
win.
I'm going. Guys, we're in bad zone. We have to move.
Oh yeah. Oh, we're near the thing. There's no need to worry.
Yeah, yeah, that's true. That's true. We just.
Everything is extremely under control. Right.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. I was
Okay,
gonna say
okay.
it, but you
Then
said
we
it
don't
first.
have-
You know. It's. I think. Yeah, we are actually pretty goddamn good. Not gonna lie. Hey, you can take this, Matti. Take whatever you want.
I don't need it.
I'm very
don't
good.
need
I mean, I have 3 guns to choose from.
We should go in the direction of the this way.
Yes.
So this way.
Wait, should I get a friend first? No, I can't. Wait, I can. Wait, I have time. I have time. No,
We don't. We have like a few seconds.
I'm in the storm, but that's okay.
Yeah, me too. I do not
I'm
want
gonna
to be
buy.
in this.
I'm buying a friend in the storm.
Sorry, I totally forgot what you were talking about, and the zone is here. I was
It's okay, I'm flying.
I was doing my own side quest, you know. You know.
I am out of the storm, but now I have 72 health.
Yes, that's not good, but we should be good though, right?
Yes.
Yes,
Where
what
are
they
you
said.
guys?
Wait, I'm coming. I'm here.
I'm looking for you. I'm
That
just
was
gonna
very dramatic.
do a little bit of the healing, and then we should be good.
It's all about the entrance, you know.
Yeah, yeah. I'm gonna do one thing real quick, and that is
Heal up.
I have to
No, you
hide
have heals. You-
this
full health.
one. Right. Okay. It's here. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Cause chat, if you saw, I had the Twitch chat on
Gabe,
the
Gabe.
screen.
Gabe.
Yeah.
Come over here. Come over here.
Hello.
Break this. Break this.
Oh, who's this? Oh, what are?
It's
Where-
my friend.
Where are you guys?
Oh.
Then you get heals, you know. If you
Oh
break.
yes, break this, you get heals.
Nice.
And this works in
Okay,
real
come
life.
This direction.
Let's stick together, guys.
Yes,
I'm a-
come here.
I'ma try to build. No.
How do we build?
I
Oh,
don't
we
know.
need to. We are quite far out from the storm. We should keep moving.
Yeah, let's just
Let's
focus.
build to the storm.
Focus, boys. Focus. Lock
I've never
in.
been so focused in my life.
Chat is
Okay.
saying skibbity park. Skibbity park.
Skibbity park.
Do you ever
Bro-
wonder what he's doing these days? I hope he's having a nice
Oh.
evening. Whatever.
Yeah,
it is he's doing.
probably.
So I hope he's having a great day today.
Yeah, I like that. I like that guy. He was
We
kind of
went with
peak.
him to Europa Park.
Bro, we went to him to amusement park. That was peak.
I love how you
That
guys
was the
tried
best
to
day of my
explain
life.
the Garg thing to him, and he just didn't get it.
Yeah,
Yeah,
no,
he did not understand.
no, but he said
He had a
some.
very hard time understanding.
Yeah, but he didn't understand why everybody was saying the Garg. But I think he understands when I showed him the picture of you. Cause you were the
He
same.
just laughed and yeah, kept on with his day.
Yeah, it was a kind of missed opportunity to. Wait, did you guys get a photo together?
Yeah, we did. Yeah, yeah.
Oh,
There's
okay.
a photo of us
Ah.
where, unfortunately, we look very similar in the photo, even though actually normally we don't. It's just in that one photo. There's
I
someone at the top of
see.
this hill, guys. I
Ah.
can see the noise. Come on.
Okay, lock in, lock in, lock in. I'm following you.
Wait, are you
Mr.
doing
Gate.
fight?
Wait, I'm gonna do this real
Gold rush,
quick
gold
so I can
rush.
see chat here. Oh, nice! I can see chat on the
rush.
side here now.
Gold rush.
Gold rush.
One
you
just went
break
down. I can
so
see low.
anything-
It's lighting
okay.
up at me. Low
Okay, okay.
Anything you break will become gold.
Yeah, yeah, that's true. We need to break stuff.
Wait, where are you guys?
We're up on the mountain. See,
I'm
free
coming.
gold!
Wait,
I get so much
I
gold
see
now.
people.
Wait, are we gonna snipe them from here? Let's do it. Can you see them?
No.
Where are you guys?
I'm
Oh my God.
looking, but I can't see.
I see you here. Okay, just lock in,
Guys.
boys.
Oh, I can see. I can
I'm
see
in-
someone down there.
Yeah. Oh!
I'm
Knocked
in a
him.
bad situation.
Another guy over there. No, that's our friend. Don't want to kill him. That would be embarrassing.
Okay.
Hey, yo, Peng is in chat. What's up, Doug?
This is me. Don't kill my friend, guys. This is my friend. Not this guy.
Yeah, this is
Oh no, this is NPC. This is NPC.
yeah, but we can still kill him.
Yeah, but there's a guy over there.
Yeah, just lock in and kill.
Why are you killing
Woo!
this NPC?
Because
I
it was
Did
shooting
nothing
him.
wrong.
Yeah. If you shoot me, I shoot you back. Easy maths. Come on. It's not algebra, bro. It's just simple. It's just
One in
simple.
there.
Easy peasy.
Okay, here. Come here.
Two inside. Two inside.
Hell yeah.
They're here.
Where?
I knocked in. I'm knocked in. I knocked one.
Yeah. Locked in. Lock the flocked. Lock the
Nice.
flocked. Lock
them.
the flocked. Let's
Nice.
go. Bra. Free stuff. Give me gun.
It's
More.
still gold rush, guys.
Yeah. But I mean, why use
How
gold
do I?
when we only wear silver?
Oh, good point. Wait. Oh, I'm gonna go get the care package.
Are you sure? The storm is coming in right now, and it's right there.
No, I have no worries. I have no worries.
All right. Gabe, maybe
Where
we
is the
should
care
go.
package?
No.
No, the package is in a safe zone.
Interesting, chat. Interesting. Yeah. Lock the flocked in. Lock the flock.
Lock
Lock-
the flock like the talk the talk.
Yes, that's what I'm saying, guys. I've been saying this. That's my catchphrase. You should have known that
I'm
already.
just inside,
It's been my catchphrase for 10 years at least.
It's just in vibe.
and there is a mysterious wall sitting by itself.
What?
Oh, someone is building a wall.
Is someone building a wall?
Oh, there's one in the building here. The building closest to me.
Oh
I can see
no.
him around it.
Wait, I don't even
Where
know
is
where
Gabe?
you are. Oh my god, you
Oh,
are
Gabe is-
way farther than me am.
There, on the,
Oh,
he's
he's
come out
up
of the
there.
balcony. He's got a
I
sniper
see
who's
him.
pointing at you.
I see him. I'm shooting him.
Alright. Where are the people at?
Here.
If he's fighting with a sniper, let the storm come in and push him out that building. We'll get him when he comes out.
Ah. Bro,
Ah,
the
good
military
point.
should hire you for advanced military
Training.
strategies. Ah! Thank you.
You got him?
Halton
Nice.
is not doing very. Yes. Halton is just doing his side quest.
What do you mean? I almost killed guy.
No, you're just doing side quest, bro.
Almost
nice
killed
is
guy
good.
in video game world, guys. Come on.
Come here. Come here. Come here.
I'm king of video
Okay.
game worlds. Yeah, let's go. Let's
Oh,
go.
wait. Okay, I'm gonna try. Okay,
Actually, guys, we're in the top 23. That's pretty good.
It's because
because
we are
we're
skilled.
professionals.
Yeah, Pog Gamers, right? Pog Gamers doing Pog stuff. Let's go.
How do I build like
Gamer montage. Let's go.
Oh, here, wait. Ah,
20 left.
Wait.
Let's go. Oh my god, we
Stop
actually.
sending me friend requests.
Please
Gabe does not want
never
to be your
stop,
friend. I'm
chat.
sorry.
Oh, I see guy. See guy.
Yeah.
Two guys. They're friends probably.
Two
Knock
guys
them.
being friends.
Oh,
Shit.
killed him. Nice!
Killed him.
Pog!
Cool.
This might be play of the game, chat. Can I get W's in
Play
the
of the
chat?
game.
Yeah, Pog.
Did you say play of the game?
Yeah, like in Overwatch, you know.
Oh, do you say that in Overwatch world?
Yeah, that's Overwatch word slang.
I don't know. I don't know Overwatch slang.
No. You're new to the gaming world.
No, I'm very old to the game.
Oh! Can you see them also?
Yeah.
Wait, I'm gonna get the sniper.
Yeah, I'm trying to
Oh,
lock the
Who
flock.
took the sniper?
I took the sniper, and I'm trying to snipe.
Okay. I was looking for who took the
Are they
sniper.
shooting our way?
I don't know.
Wait,
Ah!
who?
Killed him!
Nice. I'm really, really low on ammo, by the way, like critically.
I have
Uh,
a lot of ammo. What ammo do you need?
Yeah, I have.
Assault rifle.
Yeah, I got so much, bro. Light, is that
I'm
medium bullets?
coming
I
to you.
think so.
Hello.
Yeah, drop.
I think that's
Okay.
is it?
Is that enough?
I don't know.
Also, this is I can't believe I'm asking this question, but how do I drop
You're on PC, right?
I'm using a controller.
Oh,
A controller
this
like
is a question for Matti. Matti is
Then
good
you-
at
then you
answering
do
controller
this
questions.
button, here, this one, this one.
Oh my god.
Oh
Ten-
yeah, I see.
It's 10
And then you
players
get
left.
menu, and then you choose, and then press X.
Okay.
Come here.
understood.
Understood. You understood the assignment.
Yes.
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 We should
Very
get
good.
back in that thingy.
What thingy?
The what call it? The zone.
Oh, the zone. Of course. The zone. Let's go! Bra bra bra.
Let's go to the zone. Let's go to the zone.
There's only 9 left, by the way.
To the zone.
Yeah.
Oh, it's gonna be a W in a building game. We don't know how to build.
Yeah, I'm a not good builder. It might be hard,
Oh,
We're
but
very bad
but you
builders.
no, but we will, as Gabe said earlier, we use our advantage as focusing on the killing to
Yeah,
our
they're gonna be
advantage.
building. They're gonna be building a house while we are gonna be killing them.
Yeah,
Oh,
yeah.
yeah.
Like, you don't take
Bam.
house to a gunfight, you know.
bam.
Boom. Okay, everyone is knocked except one.
Nice, nice, nice. Making moves, boys. Making moves. Bruh, bruh. Let's go. Okay, let's see. Okay, there they are. There they are. Why are they all red? Yeah, it's NPC is helping us. Yeah, I forgot.
Oh, bro.
Yeah,
So,
knocked him out. Yeah! Ah!
Yeah.
Ah!
Let's go.
Ah!
whoa.
Peek, 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 peek. Emote, chat.
We are the greatest. We are the greatest team of all time.
This
let's
was
go to
actually
lobby,
huge
let's go to lobby.
W. Oh
This
my
was big.
god.
W.
I can't believe it. First game of the day. And I got woman.
That's what I'm saying. If you have not subscribed yet, you have to subscribe because of this one.
Oh my god. We're at still at the same subscriber amount as we were when we started. Come on.
No, your subscriber count is broken. Hold on.
Oh.
I see another numbers on my screen in the studio app.
Oh. W subscribers, chat. Let's go. Thank you, chat, for letting us gaming Victor Royale. I believe.
Go to lobby.
Go to lobby. Alright.
Yeah, we're doing 0.
Oh yes, we don't want the build. We won, but in building. This is my first
That's
building
so
Victor
weird.
Royale, chat.
Yes, my first also.
Yeah, bro lost subs. I know. I'm sorry. I'm honestly. Yeah, Gabe, wait. Gabe, you won your last game, right?
Yeah.
You are at 100% ratio.
No, because the game before that I took a big fall and came 99th.
Classic Gabe mistake. Alright.
Yeah.
We'll try to savage, at least keep it 70 something percent if we win this one.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Tell me, guys, what did you think of Luxembourg? Did you have a nice time?
Bro, it was peak. I loved the I loved the I'm a dog song.
Hey, I am a dog.
How does he come up with it? I love it,
And it came second.
bro.
Yes.
We like that we saw that
was
song
so
so
good.
many times because like they were always rehearsing that song so many times.
Where are we going?
Let's just go
I'm
here.
not sure.
No,
Hold
no,
on,
but
you can remove the. Hold on. You can remove the subscriber count. It's
Uh,
broken. We have so much more subscribers.
all right. So it's just making us look bad. I get it. Okay.
Yes, we have 76,895.
Pretty
I
good.
jumped out at the waypoint. I don't know
Oh.
where.
No, I'm coming. I'm coming.
What's
I'm coming.
going on?
Gabe, no
Wait,
worries. No worries.
I went to the end of the world. Wait.
That's fine. Let's meet at the end then.
Yeah. No, what I was gonna say, I was gonna talk about that with the Luxembourg thing. The winner,
Yes.
actually, she is amazing, and
She's so nice. I love her.
uh,
She's my favorite.
and the song is kind of peak.
If you hear she's in, there's a bit of a, I wouldn't go as far to call it a scandal.
Yeah, I saw it.
Yes,
I-
we
You
heard
guys,
about
you
it.
guys are
No,
well
no.
versed in this.
Yeah,
it's
yeah,
the yearly
yeah. Yes,
Eurovision
it's
plagiarism
the-
allegation.
Bro, I
We've
haven't.
been in the
I
same
was
scandals.
actually. I was gonna message her like, hey yo, just
Yeah,
chill.
I already
like-
I have sent her a message.
Oh, nice.
Being like, don't worry, this happens.
Yeah,
No need to
yeah,
worry
Yes,
about
I
it.
told her. It happened also to me.
yeah, yeah. Been there, done that.
Been there, done that.
Been there, done that. Just chill. So
But
like,
listen, you guys have always been my favorite creators of Israeli wedding music.
bro,
Hey, thank you.
what can I say? What can I say? I just get inspired by songs I can't even type the name of.
They're so inspiring.
No, the funny thing about that also is I was trying to find that song, but because
Yeah,
it's
me
in
too, me
Hebrew,
too.
yeah, it's in it's in Hebrew. I can't even like if I'm trying to
know how
find
to
it.
find
The
it.
only way for me to find it is if I search up like Vibe plagiarism song or something. I can't type the real song. Oh my God, they're shooting me!
I'm
Oh,
quite far away
nice.
from you guys. I'm running towards you, but I don't actually know.
Oh, squad! I'm going to squad.
It's all good. I
Oh.
killed one person.
One beat everyone.
La la la. Super da boop. Little bit of this and little bit of those, and we should be good to go.
I am
Nice.
not nearly there.
No, no, it's all good.
Hey,
I am a dog. Throw me a bone. Let me walk over you. But I
Making
don't.
me high. Na-na-na-na.
Ba.
We're gonna be back.
La, 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 la,
Yeah, that was peak. Hey, what's your opinion on Sissal coming back?
Well, it's interesting because she got like the Swedish A team in. She got like with Debs, Jimmy Joker Thornfeld. So
Yeah.
because of that, the song, unsurprisingly, it sounds like a song from Melody Festival, and you know,
Ah.
Yes, maybe.
I support like you know, her ambition.
Yeah,
all of this
yeah.
Stuff. What I'm not sure about
Yeah.
is like 1 year. I'm always looking for like artists to come back and like show me something new, you know, to develop in some way.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
It's only been 1 year, which sort of limits the like ability to do that, you know.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
I'm curious
very
to
short-
see
short
if
time.
anything different comes from it, because the song, it's a competently executed song. It's well done,
Yeah, yeah.
but like that alone is you know, I want to see something like which makes me go wow, you know. She's a
Yeah.
great vocalist, so maybe she'll deliver it when we actually hear it live.
Yeah, I
but
can't wait to see it.
I don't know yet.
I'm gonna lock in and I'm gonna watch that one live, I think.
Watch.
Because I'm rooting for her, of course, because I know her, but like
Yeah,
I
we
haven't
have-
heard any
we-
other song, but
we're
I'm
biased. We're biased.
I'm very
because we know
biased,
her.
you know. But I
Also, hello, I finally found you guys.
hey yo, what's up?
Hey, hello.
We're reunited, gang again, back together. Let's go. I can play golf in video game world. Blip. Fun. Let's go. Okay, wait. Okay, yeah, we're a very good location, guys. It's all looking towards another Victor Royale. I see.
But Gabe, you need some healing.
Oh yes.
And you need...
A little bit.
Ah,
I'm
you
a
have choke.
75.
You have choke. Okay.
Oh,
you
I
have choke.
I have minis for you, but it's all good. All right.
I'm good for now. 75 is fine.
All right.
Wait,
All
I
right.
was-
Every health matters,
I was
chat. Remember
chatting.
that. Remember that. Yeah,
Wait,
chat's going crazy.
I'm opening chat right now. I haven't seen
Oh.
chat.
Oh my god. Ah, they're shooting. They're shooting.
No, they're
It's
not.
like a shooting star.
Bro, why is everyone so bad at video game? What the hell?
We're so good at video game.
Might
You
be.
don't understand.
That might be it. That might be it. Not gonna lie.
There might be one more in there. Be careful if he's got a shotgun.
Yes. I shotgunned him first.
Wow.
Nice.
Bro, don't bring.
I suspected there might be.
Yeah. Bring
You
a
can
shotgun to a
shotgun
shotgun
me.
fight. That was smart play, Matti.
Yes.
They say
but
that.
He didn't even have shotgun.
Oh
Should
yeah.
we stick
He
around
didn't
here for now? This kind of feels like a good place to be in.
Yeah. Let's
It's
find.
a very good place.
Let's find a new place to call home here.
I get a shotgun, he cannot afford.
Lock the flock. I'm trying to lock the flock in. Everybody locking the flock. We're locking the flock in.
Storm shrinking and we're still within it. Good. Oh, hey, there's a chest in this wall.
Oh my god, you have to check it out. Maybe
Ooh.
it's a rare item from video game.
Rare video game item.
Mhm.
Boom.
Oh, it was actually through. Oh,
Yeah, I opened it for you. I went the other way.
oops.
No, hey, wait!
Oh.
Shots fired, everybody! This is not a drill.
Where? And what? Where?
Lock the flock in, chat. Lock the flock.
Where is?
Lock the
Where
flock,
is
everybody.
Shots
East
fired.
found 2 markers.
No, it's
But
NPC.
no, don't kill him, don't kill him.
Yeah, yeah.
I'm gonna get him to be my friend.
Okay, okay, okay. Okay, we're good, we're good, we're good.
Knocked
I
one.
am a duck.
Knock
We have
one.
another
throw
lot
me a
coming from the other
bone.
side.
Wait.
Oh, you got it.
Out. He's out.
And for
Get
that
a
reason,
friend, get a
you are
friend,
out.
get a friend.
Wait.
Instead.
I was gonna do like a cool like thing.
I got
And
one.
for that reason,
Hey, well done, Gabe. Well done.
Hey. Hey,
Oh, yeah.
Behind us.
Where are you coming from?
Behind. I got lot of damage. Nice, very well done, everybody.
The
Everybody,
armor is here.
lock the flock, chat. Let's go.
Very good.
We got them all. Yes.
Everybody taking their vitamins. Let's go. We're very good.
Yeah.
Okay.
We
Saying
wanna
their
move through
prayers.
This tunnel, or do we want to go over the top?
Oh,
I'm worried
oh,
about getting
guys.
pinned
I-
down in the tunnel because we have to go through the storm.
Yeah, let's
I'd rather
go
go over
Do,
the top.
do,
over it.
do you all have wingsuits?
No.
No, I don't know what that is.
Oh, that's like a suit you put on and then you fly.
Oh yeah,
Oh,
you're in
wow.
for a ride on that one. Honestly, that's pretty peak.
Okay, follow me. Follow me. We're gonna get the stick of truth.
No,
Oh, okay.
I've got things everywhere right now.
What?
Oh wait, mate, I need help. I need backup.
Bro, you just literally went away. I'm literally walking up mountain.
Yeah, head towards us if you can, Magdi. I'm gonna be overhead
Wait.
from you in a second. I can help.
Yeah, yeah, I'm coming. I'm coming. I'm coming.
Okay, it's okay. It's okay.
Where are the
knocked
bad
them.
people at?
They're here.
Why can I not see bad people? La la la.
Yeah, I
My
can't see
God,
anyone.
sweet.
No, I
Here
can't see
is
anybody.
one.
Nice. I'm just to
Hey,
your guys.
Gabe, drink
Aha.
this.
Yeah,
A
yeah, yeah.
snack?
No, this one.
This.
Well,
This is must for gamer. Gamer fuel. G fuel, man. G fuel. Gamer fuel. Get strong.
nice.
You have to get strong, man.
G
Get strong.
Fuel. Oh, I remember when everyone was sponsored by G Fuel.
Bro,
Didn't
I
it
want.
have lead in it or something?
Yeah, probably. I don't
Yeah, it
know.
will
I
probably
wouldn't be
very bad
surprised.
for you.
I see guys. I see guys. I got very good attack here.
I got one.
Very well done, guys. Very well done.
Hey, W Gabe, W Gabe.
We have the high ground. It's like #1 rule in Star Wars world. I remember.
Yeah, but
In
Yes.
Star Wars.
they are gonna see us up here.
Yeah, yeah. That's the only
no,
problem.
No, not if you hide. If you hide. To hide.
Yeah, I'll go a little bit down here. I think that's smart play.
I can see 2 down just by that tree. See that?
Yeah, yeah. I see. Wait. Oh,
Yeah.
got
see
him.
if we can force him out. Yeah, he's out. He's out.
nice.
Friends.
Nice. Ooh, wee, wee, wee. On a roll.
Oh, we're so good at Fortnite.
Bro, what is happening? I've never been so good at Fortnite.
I'm coming rapidly to realize that, like, once you played 1 FPS, like, I didn't play Halo for all those years for nothing, you know?
Yeah, yeah, yeah. I can see. It was all
Well,
worth
hey,
it. You
guys,
can beat
Check
now
this out.
Fortnite
Okay,
with.
hold on. Show
Icelandic
the people this card.
boys.
Show the people this card.
Okay.
Okay, wait.
SpongeBob car.
Oh, Rocket League.
Wow.
No, SpongeBob.
Oh.
It's
Oh.
Gary the Snake. Okay,
should
guys,
put
no
this in
one has
Rocket
got
League.
the stick of truth.
Yeah, they really should. Yeah, what?
Let's
Do?
go get the stick of truth.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. What does that do again? Yeah, you can
What does it-
control.
You control where the last spawn point is, where the storm will shrink to. You got company, boys.
Yeah, this is your
Wow.
sign to lock the flock in at Fortnite. Bruh.
You got company.
Okay, should I take the stick of truth?
Yes, take it. It's very good.
Ah, no, first I have to kill, right?
Yeah, kill. No. Okay, go get stick of truth.
I kill, no worry.
Get it. Take it.
Okay, I take.
Okay, now, okay, get in car, get in car, get in car.
I'm coming.
Wait. I'm trying to lock.
Don't use the stick of truth yet.
Okay.
We have to decide on a place where the map will end, you know.
Yeah, we can decide where the map ends.
Yeah, you use the stick of truth, then the map will end there.
Oh, okay, so we pretty much
Okay.
win video game, right?
Yes,
That's
okay,
a
if you
cliff.
go... Yes, it's okay. It's a very good guy.
Okay.
We've got
Okay, if we
a
go...
lot of angry sounds over. Oh.
Oh
Yes.
no, we have to lock in. We have to find where to end game.
Oh, there's guy, evil guy here. Oh, okay, never mind.
This thing floats.
Oh,
it's-
yes,
it's
it does.
everything. It's a boat. And it's
How
a-
about in Sandy Strip?
Yes, that sounds like a party.
Should we end it
Although
here?
this is kind of like a massive walking target, so we should get out of here soon.
Yes.
Oh yes. Wait, do we have wingsuit? Anyone?
No.
Okay,
you?
can you buy wingsuit here? Yes, I have wingsuit.
Wait, why
Can
do
we
we need
just buy it
wingsuit?
here? Because we can go on top of it, then no one can get us.
Ah, I see. Muy bien.
It's a very
I
good
just-
tactic.
Accidentally bought a tactical assault rifle.
Yo!
Hey, you need it.
Wait, how can I buy wingsuit?
It's probably not for sale here.
Oh, okay. I thought you said it was
Okay.
for sale.
Okay, we have to get up there. I don't know how, but I will.
Wait, where up where? Up there! On the big smiley face!
Yes.
10 players remaining. I think we
Ah,
may
muy
just
bien.
need to get it done here. I don't think.
Alright,
gonna last
I
all
will
day.
use the
Okay,
stick
come
of
here,
truth.
Come, use it here, on top of the guitar store.
Okay?
Is this where we're making our final stand, huh?
I believe
Yes,
so, yes.
On
Wait.
top of the guitar store.
And how the
Can we get on top
flock?
of-
How the flock do I get up on top?
I don't think we can. In any
Oh.
case, they'll see us if we're on this ledge, so let's not be.
Alright.
Okay, we have to hide.
Should I use the stick of truth here? Alright, let's just use it. I use stick
Okay.
of truth! Oh!
Okay, guys, come here. We have to defend this place.
Well, I used it in the middle
yeah,
of the
don't
store.
worry.
No, this will be the final place.
Okay. I kinda like that.
Now the storm is gonna adjust to us.
Ooh.
Oh, I just saw something moving.
Okay. Now we just need to focus. Everybody will come
Focus
to us now.
mode.
Yeah, everybody will come to us. We shouldn't need to worry nothing.
Yeah, that's the thing. They need to come to us.
The stick of truth has been plucked.
Oh wait, does anyone have the building thing?
Building what?
The portafort.
No.
No.
Oh, shots fired, everybody.
Yeah? Oh, yeah, I can see.
Be careful. There's
I
lunch
saw
pad
one
here.
just behind the theatre. Another one down the end there.
Ah, I see. Muy bien. Let's go. Yeah, very good, everybody. Making good progress here.
You
Pu-
have been served.
And just like that, Superman is dead.
Superman has been served.
Superman has been served. Do they have
Yeah,
a
I saw one
serving
over there,
system
yeah.
in the UK? Like,
In
you
the
need to-
UK.
Oh, I killed someone.
Is that the thing in UK? Okay.
Which, sorry?
Do you need to
You
serve
have
people?
to serve people. If you're gonna sue someone, you have to serve them.
No, I think that's an America thing.
That's so funny.
Pretty good.
I really want. If my music career doesn't work out and all that, I will
Then you're gonna
go.
serve
I will fly to UK and be like a surfer, like to knock on people and say,
The
"You've
America-
been
America,
served."
not UK. It's not in UK. Hold on.
No, I'll fly to
So-
like Alaska or
America,
something.
America.
Yeah.
So
Or
there's
Canada.
still two guys somewhere.
Yeah.
Where are
We
they?
can just be on top here.
Yeah, we should be pretty good as long as you just stay here. Wait, shots fired from this direction, right? Wait. Yeah,
Doesn't
they're over
really
there.
matter. They're
Over there. Lock the flock, chat. Lock the flock. I got some shots in.
Got him.
Very
Get 'em
good.
out.
One more guy left.
Be careful.
Ah! Two in a row. What's
Another one.
happening?
Another one.
I have
Another one.
No.
another one. Another one.
Another one.
Another one.
Another one.
Oh my god.
Another one.
We return to lobby?
No. We just ready up. Take another W.
That's right. That's right.
Okay, play again.
Play again,
That's why,
man.
chat, that's why we lock the flock and you not.
And
Oh
they
my
just,
god.
They just talk the talk. You
And
know?
just like that, I got a new epic skin. And I will be this
gonna-
girl.
Now I'm gonna check.
Pew, 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 pew,
And we
pew.
have reached 914 subscribers.
Oh my god. Congrats.
Almost 77, guys.
Bro, as soon as I thought my YouTube career was over, because we weren't
Yes, we
uploading
thought so.
videos. Then we uploaded one video and got 100,000 views, and now we got so many
many
subscribers.
Now we're famous on YouTube.
Yeah, that's how it works.
Hey yo, everybody subscribe also to Gabe. We're in competition. First one to reach 100,000 subscribers. Let's go.
So everyone
I'm
vote
losing
Gabe.
by a long way, so you should unsubscribe to Vibe and subscribe to me.
No! No! Okay, we'll do
Take it
together.
back,
If
take it back.
okay, I take back. If I get
Okay,
100,
no,
Play
subscribe to
button.
both of us. It's okay.
yeah.
Yes.
If
if we get play button, we're gonna give Gabe play button.
Yeah.
If Gabe get play button, he's gonna give Vibe play button.
Well, that's gonna end badly for you guys, because that means I'm gonna get a play button first.
Oh no.
Eh,
Oh yeah, that's true. I didn't think about that.
No, maybe Gabe will convince everyone to unsubscribe to us.
What? So
Yeah.
I don't get it anymore, guys.
I'm not mean here.
It's too confusing now.
Wait, Gabe, you're gonna meet us in Finland.
Yes, I'll see you in Helsinki.
Hey,
I can't
Come
remember
here,
if we
guys.
bought tickets or not. I think we did. I need
Yeah.
to ask.
bro.
My fiance knows these things. When are we jumping?
Oh.
Oh, we already jumped.
Oh,
Okay.
Yeah.
what? All right.
Yeah.
Okay.
On the
We're going
mountain,
to
on the
the
mountain, on the
mountain.
mountain, on the mountain.
Yeah. Yeah. If you,
Take me to the
I think I'm not sure if Helsinki is sold out or not. Is it? It is maybe.
I don't know.
I'm very bad at remembering. No, because our parents were gonna come to Helsinki, I think.
But I think they're just bad at technology.
Yeah, because they were like,
oh,
oh,
I nearly died.
oh, what?
my god. I have 6 health.
Bro,
Why?
how?
Some guy just landed right on top of me, ambushed me. To be fair, he did a good job.
Broski.
But I reacted just fast enough.
Okay, thank God. It was a close call. Just make sure
Yeah.
it doesn't happen again.
We
It
have to
could-
get another victory, man.
You were on a streak. We're on a streak.
Gabe,
Yes.
take this med kit.
I
We
think
need
I've
more
never in my entire life won 2 games in a row.
Where is the
No.
medkit?
Here,
Oh, you're over there.
behind
Gotcha.
you, behind you.
Yeah, I'm coming.
Mm.
I'm coming. You just.
I'm
we got it with
coming up,
Nick.
so you better get this party started.
Mm.
I'm coming up. Okay, let's go down here, guys.
Where? Ah,
Down
you're there.
Here, to the ski resort.
I'm
You get
coming.
away from the zone. The storm is gonna shrink.
Oh, not yet. A long time. 125 minutes. We have good
Okay.
time.
Okay.
Okay, we're playing it risky. I like it.
We live on the edge, guys.
Yeah, that's
No, I
true.
know a shortcut, guys. I know a shortcut.
What?
Yes. Okay, guys. When the storm is almost coming, and we go into this porta potty.
What?
Okay.
We go into this one.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And then we go into storm.
Yeah,
No.
then if you go into this, then you go to the carnival.
Ooh, okay.
Oh,
Good. Good plan, Matti.
I
Thank
pressed
you.
the button too soon, guys.
Okay, Gabe has already went to the carnival.
Okay, very good.
You can just come back. You can just
Yeah, come back.
Yeah,
I
I'm
have
gonna do that.
inside.
I have heals for us all. I have heals for us all.
I'm coming back. I'm coming back.
Yeah, come on. Okay.
Hello.
Matti, come here also. Okay, stay here. Gabe. Wow.
Ah,
Oh, wait.
ah.
This isn't heals.
This-
Sorry.
No, it's invisibility.
Oh, I'm sorry. I thought I was healing you guys.
You
I
just
made you
us
invisible. I'm sorry. Sorry about that.
It's just
Yes.
a misunderstanding. It's
Yeah,
okay.
it was a misunderstanding. It never happened again. I'm sorry. Yes.
if there's any SMG ammo knocking about this place.
I don't know.
SMG ammo, I don't know.
Oh,
I'm not
storm time.
familiar.
Through the thing. Through the thing. Through the thing.
Through the what? The
The
thing?
storm is shrinking. It's coming. It's close.
Ah, yes.
Oh.
Smart play. Through the thing!
In we go.
Wait.
To the other
To
side!
infinity and beyond!
Hey, let's
eyes
go,
up,
gang.
Shooting.
Okay. There's active
Okay,
shooting
just
going
get
on.
ready. There's an active shooter.
Let's kill. Kill.
Kill
Hear
him.
that?
Where is he?
I'm trying to see.
Oh, he's in the game. He's in the game.
Oh, he's in video game. Okay, let's go. Lock in. Matti. Oh, they're shooting behind you, Matti. Watch out. He's there. Wait, where?
Wait, I got one.
Broken shield. Guy on top. Probably healing.
Yeah, I hit him too. Oh shit! I got one. Oh, I'm dead. I'm so dead.
No, Gabe.
I'm somehow not dead.
Oh, I killed some guy. I don't know.
Where are you, Gabe?
I'm alright. Don't worry. All's fine.
Ah.
Where is the evil guy?
I killed him.
Ooh.
Oh, you got rid of him. Very good.
Yeah, we're just locking the
guys,
flocking.
What's
There's
that
evil
phrase they
man.
say in Iceland when everything's gonna be fine? It's something like
Retas.
Oh my god. We
Guys,
should make a song
there's
of
boss
that.
here.
Alright,
We
let's
should
go.
make a song about it. I'm gonna take the boss.
Don't you guys love it when we follow brand guidelines?
What?
Brand guidelines.
Yes.
Yeah, like you
By making reference to recent releases that you wish to promote to your audience with
yeah,
adoring fans.
that's so
Oh my
clever.
god.
How did I not think about that?
Bro, you should like do this for a living or something.
Oh yeah. That's quite
Oh,
fun.
you'll
I'm
be good
enjoying
at
it, by the way. Even though this year is a total nightmare year to be
Yes.
working full time on Eurovision, it's a
Oh
lot.
yes.
It makes it a lot. Honestly, everything goes a lot faster because you feel way more motivated. Because
Yeah.
there's something about the make videos or don't eat that's really persuasive.
Bro, it's
Make
literally
videos or don't eat.
if you don't make video you will not get food. You literally
If
die.
you guys stop writing songs, you gotta keep writing the songs.
Yeah. It's
And we don't eat.
it's kinda yeah, I guess. Wow, it kinda makes you think. But it's fun job, bro, right? You can just
Yeah.
do video.
Super fun.
Yeah, hell yeah.
By
Guys.
the way,
Hold on,
yeah,
don't
yeah.
do it.
there's a
Yeah.
lot of dudes down there.
Ooh.
Where are you, Gabe?
You can see me just on the map. I'm on the edge of the storm.
Yeah.
zone, Right on the
Oh,
boundary.
Yeah,
I-
I see you. Hold on.
I
Get in the
turned it-
car, bro.
I turned
Hold
into
on.
Dwayne The Rock Johnson.
I
Bruh.
mean, I don't think we need to
Everyone see where we are.
intervene right now because there's like 5 or 6 ignitions. They're all kind of fighting with each other. But we should
Alright.
probably get down there.
Yeah.
Hello.
Hello.
Yeah, and also guys, everybody can see where we are on the map.
On the map. Yeah, everyone can see your location at all time.
Yeah, that's because of
Are
me.
you sure we want to drive off there? That doesn't look like a
Should-
good idea to me. You
Ye-
can.
Should we?
yeah, do it.
Whee!
Yeah, peek.
Boink.
Yeah,
Beautiful.
nice. Oh, people here!
Hey, yes, people.
Kill people right now, or else. I can't see. Here we are. Oh,
You
well
get him?
done, Gabe.
I got him. Yeah, it was Gabe.
Nice.
Well done.
I think it was Gabe. I would say Gabe.
Yeah.
Gabe, drink this. Drink this.
Drink what? This? Slurp juice?
Yes.
Oh,
Drink it.
you have
It's
to
good for
try.
you.
It's good for your health.
Stick of truth. Let's go, everyone in the car. In the car now.
Okay.
Where's the car?
In the car.
Yeah, let's go. Lock the flock,
Stick
chat.
of
Let's
truth.
go.
Stick of truth.
And where is the stick of truth? Oh, it's here in the middle somewhere. Ah.
I marked it.
Yeah,
No
nice.
worries, it's in a good placement.
Okay, nice. Peek.
There are still 48 people alive. Are we sure that all 45 of them who aren't us are not also going to be piling towards it?
Oh, they don't understand the power.
No, I think we will be able to kill them. I can call backup whenever we need. I have the.
I.
Oh,
My life is ruined, guys.
never mind.
Okay, shall we just kind of
chill.
Go on top of hill.
That feels kind of exposed.
Ooh,
No. Don't
There is
worry.
a chest up here.
yeah, there is a chest for here, that's for sure. Let's see if
Well, I was going to open it, but that works too.
Yeah, it's a shortcut.
hey, what does it say here? Battle wood.
Pass.
No, battle
Pass.
wood. Is there any way we can like say something weird here? Like
There's a,
Uh,
there's a micro
land.
suit. What micro suit? Wingsuit here.
Oh, take it. Try it. You have to try it.
yeah, try the
It's
wingsuit.
very fun.
How does it work? What do I do? Now I've got it on my back.
Okay.
Oh no, I know what
Okay,
to do.
now
I know
you-
what to do. Wait,
Now you just press the shoot button.
let me
Oh,
cook.
behind you. Behind us.
Well, I am now in the air.
Very good. Okay, nice.
Yeah, you
Cool.
guys take care of them. I'm on my own little solo mission.
Nice job.
What are you doing?
You will see. No worries.
Okay. Did you try it, Gabe? You like it?
Yes, but then I had to. It was very fun, but then I had to land because there was gonna be
You have
death.
to save our ass. Save our ass.
Sudden death
Yeah.
or land. It's like, yeah, I get it.
Makes sense. What are you doing?
La la la
Arc
la la.
lightning gun. That sounds fun.
Ah!
Oh, that's a good one. You have to try it. It's laser gun.
Well, let me know if you see anyone, and I will
What did you do?
make
P.
dinner.
8. 8.
8.
Eight.
I ate.
Yeah, I don't know. I was just figuring what I could write here instead of the other thing.
Do you guys think Mariana Conte is having a nice evening?
Oh, definitely.
Oh, I think she's having the best evening. I wish I was her right now.
I hope she had a nice dinner. Maybe like and a really nice bottle of wine.
Oh,
She probably ate.
well, I hope she ate.
She probably ate dinner.
I ate dinner. I know Cynthia made me ramen. It was great.
Hell yeah.
Oh, that sounds.
Yeah, I haven't.
What is it called in English? Hold on. Pita?
What? Pita?
Oh, I can
Yeah.
see over there. You see the guy in the sky?
I don't know. Oh,
Yes,
where?
I see it.
You wanna head that way?
There's a mirror on the dance
This,
floor.
yeah, let's go get him. Let's go get in the car.
In the car!
You go in the car. I'll head in the same direction on foot,
Alright.
and then
And then jump in the car or just. Alright.
Or
going, keep
just
going, keep
run.
going.
Okay.
because
Are
they'll
you
be
not
they'll
connected
be
in
so
the car?
focused on the van that they'll
Yeah, they'll miss
Ah,
you.
distraction.
Wait, what am I doing?
Distraction.
What am I supposed to do? Oh, I see
What
them!
was
They're
that?
over there! They're here!
Okay, behind, here. They're coming to you. Shoot them.
Nice. Well done, team. Making moves. I'll take that. Thank you very much.
Oh no, you took it.
Oh, yes.
Oh, we need to get
I
out
wanted
away
to.
from the storm. Storm is going to be a problem in a few seconds.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, the storm is the problem.
Oh, they're
I'm
shooting!
getting shot at.
Everybody!
That's
Well, they're going to get cooked if they stay out there. So
So who's laughing now?
I'm in a little bit of trouble.
I'm not
I mean, I've
like.
been in
You
more
have very
trouble in
bad
my
luck.
life. I've been in
Guys,
more
don't
trouble,
die.
but
Please, guys, don't die. Don't die.
no, of course
I am
of course
in the
not.
middle
Oh,
of
no
dying, but it's okay.
worries. Why
okay.
you panic? Come on.
Yeah.
Oh
Can you
yeah.
chill out?
Just eating cereal,
Never-
you know.
You can never fight. Hey guys, Gabe.
Yeah, I'm
Hold on,
here.
Gabe. Come here to this one. You need
Yeah.
this stuff.
Oh,
Ha.
yes.
Everyone need to get.
No, bro, it's outside of the zone. Oh no, wait! Ah,
What are you talking about? You
Yeah.
missed it. Behind you.
where?
People behind you.
Creepy behind you! No! Ah!
They're fleeing
Ah!
the storm right now. Let's deal with them in a minute. Let's get ourselves to safety and then think about them later. We'll catch them later. We don't need to deal with them now.
I love how Gabe is so responsible in this game.
Yeah, you truly are. He
He's like
truly is the adult
responsible
here.
gamer.
Yeah, responsible
gotta head
gamer.
in
Think
that way.
responsibly. Okay,
Up here.
Mate,
No.
follow the
That's
leader.
not out. That's not out of the storm, so we can't. It's
Oh
not
yeah,
sustainable.
sorry. I was just gonna do parkour.
Alright,
Parkour.
very nice done.
Okay, in
Fuck
stick of truth.
Stick of truth activated. Someone activated it.
Interesting.
We have to get them. Okay, if you see like a very big beam in the sky,
Two here,
then
two
you
here,
know
two
where
here.
it is.
Ah! I'm sorry. That was embarrassing.
Oh my god, I'm down, I'm down.
Yeah.
Gabe, you have to save us.
Can I use this? No.
I'm shooting my big laser at them.
Yeah. You're making moves, man. The guy on top here also.
Hold on, you have to roll yourself into the van.
Ah.
No!
No!
No, my crown, my beautiful crown.
Honestly, it was too good to be true to win like 3 games in a row. Like
3
nobody
in a row
does that.
would have been silly. It would have been silly and goofy.
Bro, that would be
Yeah, that would-
diabolical.
That's just be unfair for the other people, you know.
Yeah, we got to give them a sense that it's not impossible. That it's not impossible to win against us.
No, that's what I'm saying.
Exactly.
Oh, and just like that.
Besides, I got done by a guy with a sniper, so I presume, there wasn't much I could do.
Hold on, press ready.
Yes. Oh, yeah. Sorry. I was just locking
You're
the
just
flock
okay.
in, you know. Hey, yo, it's okay. But we still have a pretty good ratio. Like, we got at least 2 games won. One.
Oh,
wait,
you guys are gonna be
wait.
sick. The stick of truth was
I have to take-
activated
I have
at the
to take
sign
one
where we
phone
were
call.
just before.
Oh,
I
man.
have to take one phone call. Be right back.
Okay.
Okay, man.
Okay.
Take your phone call, bro. See, the thing is, when Matt is taking phone calls, I'm always like, bro, is it something I need to know? I feel like this guy, like, cause we live so like closely lives, you know. Oh my God, I wear crazy skin now.
He's mysterious.
He is. He truly is. Ooh. Oh my God, we can have concert. Let's do concert here. I'll do the drums.
Okay, no, wait, here we go. We got this. Rodita, gegn möldina, getur ekki stoppað mig á. Ooh.
Very well done, Gabe. Very well done.
Thanks. Now I'm destroying the stage.
Yeah, go for it. Go for it, man. Destroy it. This path, this Gabe, and the stage is Eurovision. This like
Yes.
Gabe like
This is
destroy
how
it.
the EBU views my YouTube channel.
Let's go! Pig!
What is going on here?
Oh yeah. This sometimes happens.
So where are we going exactly?
Yeah. Now we're just surfing, and we can go. I think we're pretty much doomed to end up over here.
Okay.
So now we just do the little bit of surfing, surf. Brrrring. Surfity surf. No stressorino. And then we just
No
jump.
need to be depressed. So.
That's what I'm saying, dog. I've been
Oh.
saying this.
Are we so turn straight back down?
Yeah, let's just go down.
Okay, down I go.
Just up and down. Ba-da-ba-dee, ba-da-ba-dee. Ba-ba-dee, ba-ba-doo, ba-ba-dee. Ba-ba-dee, ba-ba-dee, ba-ba-doo. Ba-ba-dee, ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba. Wow, what a beautiful landing place. I will take this home here. This will be my home for the next couple of seconds. I'll take over this. Blip, blop, blip, blop.
I need a gun. Oh, there's a gun.
Bro, prayers answered. I knew it. It's manifestation, bro. It works. I swear. It's #1 thing that I know works every single time. Never not work. Alright. Just lock the flock. Find the shields. Do your things. Grab the stuff. Grab the wingsuit. Fly away. Get a wife. Get a new life. Get a dog. Bro,
Hey,
kid.
I am a dog.
Oh, peak song. Take me back. Take me back to Luxembourg. Hey, I am a dog. Throw me a
It's
bone.
funny you randomly just like leaked to me that you were going to be in Luxembourg. I randomly got a message being like, "Hey, you're going to be in Luxembourg," and I was
Yeah.
like, "Aha!"
Yeah. I was gonna see if, because I knew you were going to some events, you know. It would be kind of peak if you randomly were there, you know.
To be fair, I mean, it's entirely possible that I would randomly show up.
Yeah. That's what I thought. So I might as well check. But it was kind of also random that they booked us to come, because like we got like what 25th. So like,
Well, you guys were in Eurovision.
hey,
and-
that's for sure. That's for
Yeah,
sure.
in case you didn't notice.
No, but it was peak. They're so funny because they booked like the winner of last year and then the guys who almost lost.
Well, you did. You made the finals, so technically you beat a lot of people.
Oh my god, that's so true. I so often meet people in Iceland and they say like, bro, you almost lost. At least you weren't last. And I'm always like, bro, I made two goddamn final, bro. Come on, give me some credit here. Oh, flip flop. Does Haldon even read chat? Of course, I have it on the sideline. I sometimes check it.
Maybe Halfdan, you like Leah Michelle? You secretly can't read.
Like who? Lea Michelle?
Leah Michelle, yeah. Have you never heard the rumor about Leah Michelle? She can't read.
No, I don't know who that is.
Okay, you might not know, but I guarantee that your audience does know.
Chat, do you know who that is? Does anybody know who that is? Lea Michelle. Is it someone I should know who is?
She can't read. I can tell you that much.
Aha. What is
At
chat
least
saying
that's
here?
the conspiracy theory is that she can't read.
What is the evidence?
Not sure.
Interesting. It's just like just a fun theory. I like it. I like the conspiracy theories. I'm always locked in.
Yeah.
Like the moon landing, bro. The flag. It didn't. No, there's no wind on moon. Come on.
They have an explanation for that. There is an explanation for that.
Yeah. And they have like wasn't there like they actually put like some like thing in the flag or something?
Oh, I'm being shot at.
Ah! Let's go. Wait,
I got.
Yeah.
I've got two more.
bro. By the way, Gabe, I think chat has no idea who this is. Ah! Kill him. Wait, is Matti by the way still locked the flock in the phone game? Because I can see on stream he's talking. Or is he just forgot to unmute himself? I don't know.
I think he's forgotten to unmute himself.
I think he might. I don't know.
Yeah, he's just forgotten to unmute himself.
You think so?
Yeah.
No, wait.
I can see him talking. I can see the. I've got the stream in the corner.
Yeah,
here.
yeah. That's what I'm saying. I'm like, bro, what? What the hell? What the helly? What the hell?
He is yapping.
Yeah, no, he's probably still in the phone in the ears, right? I
That's
don't know.
right.
I don't know. Let's just lock in. Don't think about that guy.
He's taking a business meeting.
Yeah,
He
yeah.
has, business.
I
Yes.
never liked that guy anyways. Thank God he's not
Hmm.
talking. He's so small, and he can't.
He's tiny.
Oh, he truly is. Truly is. Now we raid house. Let's get some money. Chip chop. Oh wait, there is guy here. We can maybe be friends. Oh, I need 600 money. Wait. I'ma get some money real quick. Maybe I get money now. I got money. Let's go. I should be pretty good. I got it. Recruit. Alright, we got a healer with us now. Ah, thank you. Thank you, Beyonce. Did you watch the Grammys?
The Grammys. No, how did they go?
I
won?
don't know. Billie Eilish or something. I don't know. I
Did you
didn't
guys
watch.
win a Grammy?
Oh, bro, imagine. I wish. But there was some guy at a record label who is like doing some stuff for the social media or something. He is like working with like Youngblood or something, and he got to go to the Grammys. I was like, bro,
Oh.
bring me along next time. That would be pretty cool. Brrr. Yeah, I know our next album will be nominated for Album of the Year. Definitely will be. Wipeout. A full Icelandic album of the year. I think it's very highly likely. Brr. Bra bra. Chat is saying Bad Bunny won. Okay, let's go. Yeah, they're saying Matt is just yapping. Does Matt even have a microphone? No, he does not. Or well,
I always get suspicious
Yeah.
when it feels like we haven't seen anyone in ages.
yeah, actually, wait, maybe we just Which is that lucky or something. I don't know.
Oh, I can see what I saw. One just run across east of us.
Oh, I
Yeah,
see
another
also.
one.
I see
There's a
also.
couple over there.
I hit them. Yeah, over there also. Very well, nice. Very well.
Oh, I just got shot by another one. Oh,
Yeah,
you
yeah.
got one
He's
more
over
here.
there. Can you see him? Wait.
Knocked.
Oh, I'm out of ammo! No way. I was going into the fight with no ammo. Woo wee! Here we go. That's what we call Fortnite, baby. That's what I call Fortnite.
There's medkit over here if anyone needs it.
I'm good. Appreciate you though. Appreciate your honesty. Wipe Grammy win. Let's go. Ba ba da ba ba beep ba.
Don't run away. From
Yeah. I'm here. I'm with you, man. I'm with you.
I thought you were gone forever.
No, bro. I could never. I would never. You know me. I would never.
Oh.
I'm just a chill guy, you know. Just chill guy playing Fortnite.
What is this job for?
Just a chill guy playing
already have a job.
Fortnite, man. You know how it is.
Make YouTube videos.
Yeah, you're full. Yeah. Come on.
That's
Bruh.
my job.
That's true. Well done. That's like that's every kid's dream, you know. You imagine you're living every kid's dream.
Yeah, low key. It's like I feel weird when I tell people that that's my job because I'm like, this is the kind of like fake job that kids say they want to do, but
Yeah.
you never actually get to do.
No, it kind of is like that. It's like being a YouTuber is the new like being an astronaut or something. Like all the kids want to be, like, and then like it's also so hard because like there's so much competition out there.
Mhm.
Everybody making videos.
It's a lot less
But-
glamorous, like when you're actually doing it because you spend so much time.
You're just in computer, writing script,
Yeah.
and then
Yeah, exactly.
and then recording video and then editing. Or no, actually Jay does the editing part.
Nope, I do everything now.
Oh, what? Jay fired?
Yeah. No. Just Jay is busy because Jay has a job. and-
Yeah, of course. He's like doing the fries at McDonald's and all
Yeah,
that.
exactly.
Yeah.
There's a load of them over there, you know.
Oh my god. All right. Let's go. Bruh, wait. I can't. Oh, I see a little bit over there. Well done. Yep. Yeah. Should we get a little closer? Or-
Yeah, let's go around. Come around to the right hand side.
Yeah, I like
Go
that.
northwards and then up towards the tower, and then we'll come down on top of them. Or
Hell
if they're
yeah.
up there, they won't expect us to come from that direction.
Yeah, let's go. Let's go. Brr, brr. Okay. Oh, there's
There's
guy
some
here.
down and some up.
Oh, I took a shield. He's low. Guy on top. Here. Oh, he's so goddamn low. He's so low that I could flock him right now. Where is he? Bruh. Down here.
God, they are swarming all
Oh, it's
over the place.
Right around here. Yeah, it's very good. Oh my god, I got a medal. No, he
Why do I have a little
respawns.
diamond on my head. Oh, that was a sniper, maybe?
What? Oh yeah. They know the location.
I have a shotgun.
Nice.
Where did he go? He was right here.
Oh, he's behind. No. Ah, I'm so locked in. You don't even know.
Did you get him?
No. I knocked some guy out, but I got knocked out. Oh my god, there's guy here. He's right here. He's
Oh,
Batman.
I'm down.
I'm also down.
Marty, it's all you.
Wait. I'm actually gonna double check if Matti is actually,
I'm gone. I'm gone.
because I'm like I kind of find it hard to like. Wait, now it's only Matti. Oh, he's being rebooted. Interesting. Yeah, he had like Matti had like some shield or something. So like, wait, is Matti even? Wait.
So, can we come back? Or like...
Yeah, he can reboot us. He's about to do it right now. Just look at this. See what he's about to do. Boom. So now we come back stronger than ever.
Oh.
Hell yeah.
Provided that nobody kills Matti while this is happening.
Yes. But I think we should be goddamn good, honestly. Wait. Ertu ennþá í símanum? I just
Okay,
texted
I'm
him
alive.
to make sure, cause I don't. Oh my god, yeah, oh my god, I'm here. Let's go. Okay, now we just need to get guns and get away, okay? Or get shields.
Oh.
Ah!
We got to run. Get away.
Woo-hoo-hoo!
That's a cliff. Oh.
No! Okay, give me your stuff, thank you very much. Muy bien, have a nice day. Ooh. Okay, now to
Oh.
heal.
There was something back there. Can we go back, Matti? Oh.
Wait.
Hello, I'm back.
Oh my god.
Hello.
What the
I
hell?
was in a-
Why?
I was in a meeting with the head choreographer of the tour.
Oh! That must have been. But, bro, you were in it for like 10 hours.
Yeah, there were many questions that needed to be answered.
Ah, I see. Nice.
So I just answered away.
Yeah, I see. Muy
We
bien.
should probably get back to Halfdan.
Oh, yeah. No,
he can spare himself.
I'm literally just killing everyone. I'm very good at this. I spoke too soon, right?
We'll
I
be
spoke
back
too soon.
along in a minute.
Did you notice
I
how
spoke
I
too soon.
saved your asses, guys?
Did you notice how
That
I
was very
died
nice, thank
immediately
you.
after saying I'm good? I killed two of his
I'm
friends,
not
and then
that far away from you. I might be able to get there.
yeah, the guy is just
Yeah,
here chilling.
It's not worth the risk. It's not worth the risk.
Yes, it is actually.
We can get crowns. Imagine.
No,
how
yeah, nice.
people love
Okay,
you.
come at me, save me. Everybody's dead.
No,
You can
behind,
save me.
behind.
No.
Get,
Okay.
get.
Never mind. Save me. No. I'm
No,
10.
no.
All right.
Hold on. They're here.
Oh,
I'm dead. Gabe.
it was too
Yeah,
late.
be
It was
careful.
too much too
No.
late. No.
Hey, top 5 again. We're doing pretty well.
You
Hey,
I mean,
that's better than top nothing.
oh, level 6,
Just
7.
remember, everyone we beat is a loser because we beat them. Everyone who we lose to is a loser because they clearly spend way too much time on this game. Otherwise, how could they
Hey.
possibly be better than us?
Bro, that's the
Exactly.
realest real thing I've ever heard anybody say, not gonna lie. That's so real. Goddamn.
And when we
It's
lose,
most
it's
real.
called a skill defeat. We're so skilled that we lose.
Oh my god, let's go.
Yes.
I think we should go for one final game and we need to win. Are you ready to lock
Yeah.
in, boys?
Yeah, I
I'm
think
so ready.
Okay, this is the final game of the day and we just need to lock
The
in.
night. And it's not day. It's night.
Yeah, let's go. Yeah, of the night. Yeah, what time is it? No, it's the same time. I'm tripping.
Yeah,
I'm
it's
tripping.
8:40.
Yeah. It's not even that late.
No, it's quite early. Truly.
Yeah, bro, my day's just getting started. Or actually, I woke up super early today. I never usually wake up before like 12. I woke up at 10 for a random meeting with some people. And then... Chat! My game crashed!
Oh,
Fortnite has crashed. We are sorry this happened and we're working towards
should
preventing it.
we? Okay, we'll quit the game so we don't get caught in.
Yes, yeah, we quit game. Wait.
No!
Okay, you have to come back. Hold on.
Yeah, I'm
Return to lobby. Yes, there we go.
launching
Yes,
it
I
again.
want to return to lobby.
Yeah, no stresso. Oh, now I can see the real-time timer. It works. Wait.
Come here. Am I need to look here?
Oh my god, we gained 100 subscribers. Let's go. Thank you, chat, for subscribing.
Guys, say hello to Georg.
Hey,
Georg.
what's up, Georg?
See how cute he is. Very cute cat.
Yeah, he's kinda small. Let's see. Claim, and then I'll just do a little bit of this arena, and then a little bit of this. Muy bienos. And it'll be
Wait,
like
I'm gonna
this.
invite you, hold on. Uh-huh.
I accept. Ooh, should I go? What pass should I open next? Ooh, I'll go for this. I kinda like her. She's kawaii. Karina.
Wait, I'm gonna
Have I?
switch
Let me.
outfits.
Do I have anything in my locker now? No.
Oh,
I have a
bro.
sword.
Chat, you can gift Gabe skins if you're feeling crazy. Oh no.
Yeah.
Oh no, yeah, wait, they have to be your friends.
Maybe I should accept all those friend requests that I've
Bro,
already got.
yeah, I did
Yeah,
that.
get
In
free stuff.
once I was streaming, I accepted all the friend requests and got so many free stuff in Fortnite. That was best day of life. Not gonna lie.
Best day of life.
That was literally best day of life. And I'm just keeping it real, chat. Just keeping it real.
Keeping it real, man. Oh, hold on. What are
Yeah,
you
add
doing?
Gabe.
Also-
If you add Danta in Fortnite, she will gift you Skippy the Toilet skin.
Oh,
Bro,
wow, that's
that's
all I've
so
ever wanted.
Yeah, bro.
Use code ESTGABE in Fortnite item shop.
Aha!
Danda didn't
Someone
add me
commented.
yet.
Wait. Yeah, we're trying to get our skins
How
in
do you
Fortnite.
guys like
That would be a dream. Everybody tell
my
Epic
water
Games.
bottle?
Yeah, bro has like
you like my
3
water
liters
bottles?
of water or something.
It's 3.7 liters.
Uh.
It's bigger than my head.
It's bigger than us.
Yeah, it truly is. It's
Water
kind of big.
bottle review.
It's bigger than you and me.
Hey.
Yeah, it's yeah. Congrats, Matti. You're doing an amazing job.
Yes, I bought it from some store.
From some store. Yeah, nice. Thank you for that
Online.
information. Now everyone can go buy it. Wow, that's so smart of you.
Did you see? Hey, did you see? Max Foss is not competing.
Is he not
That was a
competing?
wind up. That was always a wind up. How did you guys not know that?
Ha!
What?
I saw that Max Foss was competing. I thought it
Yeah,
was
you
real.
saw it from a Twitter account called Legit ESC News.
Yes.
Hey, it's legit, you know.
I see that was the first thing I saw on open Twitter, and I sent Mate. I showed Mate, and I was like, oh my god, we're so back, Max Foss. And then he was
We
like,
were so ready for Max Foss. Then he said, no, it's not me.
I was like kind of sad actually.
Yeah, very sad.
Jay asks if Helsinki is sold out yet.
I don't know. Chat, can you figure it out?
I love how we don't know. At least if it's not sold out, I know it was like last time I know it was like almost sold out. So like either it's still almost sold out or it's sold out. So
Wait,
at least
is it sold out? Does anyone know?
uh
Otherwise, wait, Jay is coming with you, right?
Yes.
Okay, you don't have tickets.
Do we not? I can't remember. Let me check.
I don't know.
That's a good point. Why would you know? I'm checking.
I'm not logged into your emails, Gabe.
We can change that.
Yeah, I
Ooh.
need to log into your emails. Make
Okay,
sure
they're saying
everything's under
they're
control.
saying it's not sold out. They check. No,
Apparently,
Dante
I
is checking.
have 2 tickets, but that's for me and my fiance. So poor Jay is
Not Jay.
outside in the cold.
Jay, why is it still loading? Finding server for 3 minutes.
Yeah, wow. Actually, I didn't even notice.
There's no one online with our skill level.
Wait,
True.
we need 5 more subscribers until we hit the biggest milestone of our career.
77,000.
Yes. Come on, get everybody.
77.
Tickets are up, they say. Dante check.
There are tickets. Okay.
It's so funny, we don't even know it ourselves.
Yeah,
we
we
don't know
should.
anything.
Oh my god, everybody tell their dad to subscribe. We need only 4 subscribers. And why does not Zero Build work? Is Fortnite down? Let me actually check. That might actually be. Wait.
How do you check that?
It's a site called Twitter. I just Fortnite.
Yeah.
Uh, mm, mm, mm.
What?
What is people saying? No, I think Fortnite's good.
Wait, okay, wait. Maybe it's all because you got left hand.
I,
Wait,
I,
okay,
I
leave
crashed.
party.
Do you think I'm banned?
Yeah, you crashed. Wait, I'm gonna invite. Wait, how do I do?
Hmm?
Invite to party.
Accept.
Invite to party. Now we're in a new house.
Okay, we're in a new house.
New home. That means everything will work.
Too many party members. No, change duo to trio.
No, yeah, bro, it's loading for me.
Oh, okay. Sorry.
Oh,
Oh
no,
my god.
it's normal. It's normal.
Oh yeah, yeah. Change that, please.
Okay.
2
Zero bit.
subscribers,
Okay, now
everybody.
You can do that. Everyone ask her dad to subscribe, guys.
One sec, honey, could you subscribe to the Vibe YouTube channel so they can get to 100?
Can you please? Can
Oh,
please?
she did.
Oh,
She says she did.
let's go.
Yes.
She's
Double
gonna be
fiance.
in Helsinki as well. And
Hell
we'll
yeah.
come to the London. We'll be at the London one, of course, as well. But we'll
Yes.
see you in
Yes.
Helsinki before we see you in London.
Let's go.
We're gonna crash at Dave's house.
Yes. Yeah, sorry, I'm gonna call you up in the middle of the night like, oh, sorry, we forgot to book
that's
a
fine.
hotel.
We
Like,
can unpack the sofa behind me turns into a
very
bed.
good.
yeah, we have a
forgot
crew
to
of
book
like,
hotel.
we have like 2 dancers and a DJ. And then,
Yeah, you can all
Yeah.
just sleep on the floor. I
Yeah, I
mean,
was
she's
thinking.
gonna be a bit confused why the house is full of people. But the
But
rug
make it
is probably comfortable. I don't know. Someone can sleep on the table. Someone can sleep in the bathtub. We just removed. Cynthia
Wait.
just removed the mold from.
Why
the...
did I lose? Why did we all of a sudden lose like 40 subscribers at once when we were about
Oh,
to
no,
hit?
really?
Because you're using a cracked website. It's not real.
What?
Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah, I'm using YouTube Studio.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's the best one. That's just
That's
the
what you
app.
gotta do.
Yes. We
I'm
have
just-
935. Oh,
Wait, are you telling me
this
that
is
live
making up the
counts-
numbers.
livecounts.io is not real live count?
No, it's
Yeah,
making up
no.
numbers.
What? What? My whole life lie?
Livecount.io is in fact mudded and stinky and.
It's just
yeah.
random numbers on screen. They should call the site then randomnumbersonscreen.com. It's the same thing. Like, why even bother if it's not even live? What's the point? Okay, then I'll need to figure that one out later. So this is not the real subscribers count. But I kind of like it there still because it's still like kind of swag, nonetheless. Oh my god, yeah. And we're also streaming this whole thing vertically.
What?
Yeah. I don't know.
Why is Fortnite broken, guys? Just I don't know.
I don't know what.
A little dance.
Yeah, we literally can't get into game. What is this? Yeah.
We were gonna take a last.
Yeah, it was our final game and then it didn't work.
Wait.
We were
I
excessively
could
slow.
have my Gucci on.
How do I
We
make it
become,
work?
but even with nothing on, but I'm made to look. I'm made to look. Yeah, I look good in my Versace dress.
Sassy.
And in the morning dance and
Come on.
Wait. It's literally Fortnite not work.
I've
By the way, I'm
waited so
expecting
long.
you guys. I'm expecting you to dress like this at the Helsinki and London shows.
Oh yes. Yeah, with Matti will be in the Kim Kardashian fit.
Yeah.
Please.
Yeah, this is gonna be my fit.
I think I could actually pull off my fit. Matti, I think you'll need to do what's it called? Like the workout, the glutes, a little.
The glutes.
That's what the bodybuilders call it.
Does anyone know why Fortnite is broken?
I don't know. Fortnite broke in video game. I don't know.
Can't believe they would kill Fortnite.
Yeah.
Why are
Too
they
soon.
killing it?
Oh well.
Someone call John Fortnite and tell him.
I can't believe it. What
oh,
is this?
Oh, what was that?
Wait, I decided to open something else and open again.
Okay. I'm
Guys,
ready.
the good old turn off, turn on.
I've
Hold
done
on.
you two ready up.
Oh yeah. Sorry. Yeah. Sorry.
It's the oldest trick in the book. Turn on, turn off.
Yeah. That's smart play. Let's see if
No,
we need.
turn off, turn on.
Because usually it's like 10 seconds, so it's kind of strange.
Okay, guys, we need 50 subscribers.
No chat, I'm not
58
Elsa.
subscribers, I mean.
Or you, yes, maybe I am Elsa, I don't know. Kind of swag skin. Let's switch it up a little. Let's go for this guy. Wait.
Why is Fortnite broken, guys?
Howdly hey, howdly who. Oh well.
Hardly do, do.
We can't always win them all, chat. Oh well.
No, that's an unsatisfying ending.
Yeah, it's so unsatisfying to end the stream on that, you know. But hey, if that's the way the news goes, that's the way the news goes, you know. You can't always decide the way the news goes, you know.
We can do this, Blitz.
Oh, is it still threes?
No, we'll just get some friend.
Okay, let's go.
Okay.
Try it.
Let's
try
like
it.
a very fast pace. It's a fast pace one.
Okay, let's see if we can get this one to load, then we can lock in with one more game. Come on.
Yeah.
Yeah.
If this doesn't load,
Come
it's
on.
just why even bother?
Yeah, then we just quit and
Then just put the
play Fortnite.
fries in the bag, honestly.
Then we go work.
Yeah.
Then we go get normal jobs.
Yeah, I think so. I think that's the
Stop trying to reach 100,000 subscribers.
yeah.
That's actually the most common, one of the most common, like, quote unquote, insulting comments I get,
What?
especially on Twitter, is telling me to, quote, get a real job.
Get a real
And
job.
then I look at the profiles. I look at the profiles of the people telling me to get a real job, and it's like my YouTube videos that I pay tax on the money I make from it are
Yeah.
paying for your universal credit.
Bro,
It's like they're saying it, but they're looking in the mirror.
that's so deep, man. Bro,
Mic drop.
I think I have sad news. I think Fortnite is broken. I don't know what happened.
No,
Yeah, so.
no.
I think we'll just end the stream on that note. It's unsatisfying ending, but an ending nonetheless, I guess. Because I got no idea what else, like if Fortnite don't work, like what like bruh, like am I right or am I right? You know what I'm saying? As a camera? Yeah. I can do a cool outro and I can put Gabe on screen for a little while now also.
Whoa.
Now
okay,
you can
wait. I'm ready. I'm ready.
Does Gabe get screen time?
Yeah, Gabe, you got screen time. Wait, you're on the stream now, I think, right?
Oh,
No
nice.
way.
I
Does
think
Gabe
so.
Really get screen time for this?
I think so.
I
Or
did not
does
think
he?
he would get a screen time.
I'm not sure. Is he on screen?
I-
Yes,
I-
he is
no,
on-
I
he is on
just-
screen.
Ah, I
Yeah,
am.
yeah.
Gosh,
Gabe
yeah,
got
right.
But
screen
the-
time.
Yeah. Yeah, you're welcome to have a little bit of
Wait.
screen time. You can do
Hold
the
on,
outro.
hold
Yes,
on.
yes.
Where
I
am
can do the outro. I
I'm
can do
not
the
on
outro.
screen.
Wait, I've got to be like, what's up, Vibe Gang?
Yeah. Very.
Make sure to subscribe. And I award you 10 bananas and Matty's driving license. I'm best at Peace Lily.
Oh my God.
And my iPhone.
Wow, that was
Whoa.
great impression of
Subscribe.
vibe. Subscribe and never stop subscribing. Matti, you wanna add anything to that? Mr. Beast,
Get
maybe.
million subscribers.
I tried billion people inside the World Cup stadium. Make them fight for $1 billion. Last people survive will die.